Hello everybody, LittleGrayBat here. Today we're opening June's Loot Crate. Boy, this is a late one. Yeah, I got the email saying that they were late because there's a certain item in it, but still, it's getting a little odd. I think it has to do with something with Jurassic Park. At this point, I've kind of forgotten what the theme is. Plus, I'm working on costumes and many other various of things in my little bat cave. That's, you know, cuckoo cuckoo. But anywho, this is June's Loot Crate. Let's get it open. And be careful opening sharp objects. And I am not sponsored by Loot Crate at all. I buy this Loot Crate with my own money. And so here we go. We are cutting it. Yep. Okay, here we go. Oh! Okay. It's a little mini Godzilla. That's kind of cute, the little plushie. It's old school Godzilla. I kind of like that. I like it. It's really cute. Okay, that's very cute. Okay. Really? I wish it was a little bit... Guys, come on. I love the theme. Okay, I love this shirt, but look at the comparison. It's so tiny. This is the neck of the shirt. And look at, there's all this left. Dude, come on. It could have been a bit bigger. I love how it is. It has the original cast. The original... I can't remember all the names. I suck at names. But I remember my parents took me when I was little to see this. And they were like, oh my god, we should have taken our child to see this. But I love how this looks. I just wish it wasn't so small. Personal opinion, because it's like... There's like half the shirt. This is like most of the shirt. Yes, I get the extra large, or at least I get the extra large. It was like there's a lot of the shirt left on it. Anyway, I like it, but I wish it was a bit better. I really get the box for the shirts. I think it could have been better, but I still think it's cute. All right, what's this? Wait a minute, I think I know what this is. Hold on. It's a backpack. I know it's a bag of some kind. Ghostbusters. Okay, that's pretty cool. I like this. I'll probably take this to cons and stuff, but I think this is pretty cute. I just, you know, like I said, I wish the t-shirt was a little bit better. But I like this. It's pretty cool. Oh, it's a hologram! Oh, whoa, it just completely fell out. Oh, that's very nice. Okay, I know who... E-Monk, you know who's getting this. That's really cool. That's very nice. I like that. That's very, very nice. It's like, okay, the box... Okay, it's like a weird typo thing. You didn't say the magic word. See, they wanted to have a really good Jurassic Park theme for this, and it fell short, guys. I understand that you can only do so much, and I get it. It's just, it does not feel like we're getting what we used to last year. I wish we did. I like this little guy, I do. When I saw that they were going to be doing a Jurassic Park one, I was so excited because the last time they did Jurassic World, they had a tin and it was just epic. It was really, really cool. And this time it just didn't seem like I got something unique. That's the problem. I'm not feeling like I'm getting unique enough things, because the t-shirt, think about it, if you went to Hot Topic or Walmart, you would think, oh, that's a really cute shirt, but it's not big enough. Like, it doesn't have enough of an emblem. Yes, maybe some people would buy it, but you would most likely buy the one next to it saying Park Employee or Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom on the whole thing. You probably would buy that one instead. But that's what I'm saying. I didn't mind this box opening. It had some really cute plushies in it. I thought that was really cute. The t-shirt, they could have done a little bit better, but I understand you're only able to do certain things with a license for certain objects. I get that, but I really wish it was a little bit different. I really, really do, because I was really looking for. I had a feeling you guys were going to do the t-shirt, and I was really, really hoping it would be something really amazing, and I was really let down on that t-shirt, because that's the one thing. I never really see a really bad t-shirt in this box, ever. Not even, but to me, it was a little bit of a fail. The backpack's pretty cool. Most likely, I'll only be able to use smaller objects in the bag so I don't rip it, but anywho. So, I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe and ring that notification bell. If you have any questions on this video or any of my tutorials, just leave a comment below and the little bat will get back to you as soon as possible. Bye!